So now that you have your oval cut, you can actually just use this as a template for all the other components. The thing that you're going to want to make sure you do is transfer over your center lines. I would start by marking those out first because you're going to use your center lines to get your offsets for where the slots are going to go. So now that you have those center lines, all four of them, you can just simply trace around this. So now that you've transferred over the center line marks and you've drawn your center line, you've traced your oval, now you're ready to go on getting the offsets for the seat slots. What you have to do is get a measurement from the center to the center line of the slot. That would be your 27.3 centimeters. I'm gonna do the same for the other side. Okay, so now you've marked out your center lines for your seat slots. You want to mark out the thickness of them. So on the mark that you've made, you want to go 0.9 centimeters on each side, or 3/8 of an inch on each side. Now that you have your slot thickness mapped out, you want to take a square and you're going to be bringing this line out right to the edge of the oval. All right, and now you're ready to cut, and you're going to cut out the whole oval, and you're also going to cut out these slots, and this will be your seat. And this is how you cut out your seat.